day of PV associate or any PV scientist start with the collection part. They have to collect the adverse reporting form. So they start like that, and they have to analyze all the adverse events occurring out of the medicinal product, and they then assess the adverse events for the particular. So they start with the job profile or job role as a analysis, data analysis part. So any PV associate has to first analyze the safety data, then has to monitor through various channels of informations. It could be any from the consumer survey or consumer data or the literature data as well, or it may be the clinical trial data. So all the data has to be analyzed and it has to be assessed finally to report to the authority. So it start from the detection, it start from the collection, then it goes to the assessment, then in that way we have to submit it to the authority, thereby we have to prevent the ADR in this manner. So PV associate can be a part of the ICSR team if we talk about the analysis part and assessment part as well and reporting part as well. So another teams involved are the literature one. So a PV associate can be a part of the literature. क्या हुआ?
Content, sir.
Content. Apart from literature team, the PV associate can join as a PV writer because they have to write the narrative for the case study, and this is kind of a scientific literature writing, or this may be the scientific writing. And the associate may also be the part of the PSU or safety writing team as well.